Best soldering stations. Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at 5 of the best soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Txinlei 8586-110V Solder Station. The 8586-110V 2-in-1 solder station is a versatile and efficient tool designed for electronics repair, combining a hot air rework station and a soldering iron into one compact unit. With a 700W power output, it can heat up rapidly, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals working on SMD, surface mount device, components and other electronic repairs. This station features a digital display that shows accurate temperature readings for both the soldering iron and hot air gun, enhancing precision and control. The hot air gun has an adjustable temperature range up to 480 degrees Celsius, suitable for tasks such as desoldering ICs, heat shrinking, and reflow soldering. The airflow is adjustable as well, allowing fine control depending on the sensitivity of the components being worked on. The soldering iron, also temperature controlled, is ergonomically designed for comfortable handling during extended use. It comes with 12 different soldering tips, providing flexibility for a variety of soldering applications, from fine point work to broader tasks. Included in the package are essential accessories such as anti-static tweezers, a desoldering pump for removing solder quickly, and various nozzles for the hot air gun to accommodate different component sizes. These tools help ensure precision and cleanliness during electronic repairs. The 8586 solder station is compact and space efficient, making it suitable for small workbenches or portable repair setups. Safety features such as ESD protection, automatic cooling for the hot air gun, and temperature stabilization enhance its reliability and lifespan. Overall, the 8586 2-in-1 SMD rework and soldering station is a cost-effective, multifunctional tool that supports both precision soldering and hot air rework, making it ideal for repairing circuit boards, mobile phones, laptops, and other electronic devices. Number 2. Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD soldering iron station. The Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD hot air rework soldering iron station is a powerful 5-in-1 multifunction tool, designed for electronics professionals and hobbyists working on circuit boards, SMD components, and general electronic repairs. It combines a hot air rework station, a soldering iron, a 0A15V0A2 DC power supply, a 35V voltmeter, and a 5V USB charging port into a single, space-saving unit. The hot air gun features adjustable temperature and airflow, making it ideal for reflow soldering, desoldering surface-mounted chips, and heat shrinking. It reaches high temperatures quickly and uses intelligent temperature control with real-time digital display, offering precise and stable performance. The ESD-safe design protects sensitive components from static damage. The soldering iron offers fast heating and a wide temperature range, suitable for various soldering tasks, from intricate microsoldering to general repairs. It includes replaceable tips to match different job requirements and uses high-quality ceramic heating elements for durability and efficiency. A standout feature is the adjustable DC power supply, 0A15V, 0A2A, which provides an independent, regulated output for testing and powering small electronics projects. It's accompanied by a built-in digital voltmeter that can measure up to 35 VDC, allowing real-time monitoring of external voltage sources, ideal for prototyping and diagnostics. The 5V USB port adds extra utility by powering USB devices or charging mobile tools while you work. This makes it especially handy for modern repair benches where versatility and efficiency are key. In summary, the Yihua 853D is a feature-rich, reliable workstation that offers a broad set of tools in one compact device. It's perfect for professionals, students, and hobbyists who want precision, performance, and convenience in their electronics repair and development tasks. Number 3. Smith Air/Acet Kit. The Smith 239-193 outfit Silversmith Handy Torch is a high-quality, compact torch kit designed for precision tasks such as jewelry making, soldering, brazing, and metalworking. Manufactured by Smith Equipment, a trusted name in gas torches, this outfit offers excellent control, reliability, and performance in a lightweight, easy-to-handle design. The Handy Torch is engineered for use with acetylene and oxygen, delivering a fine, adjustable flame suitable for delicate silver soldering or brazing applications. It provides precise flame control, which is essential when working with small parts, detailed metalwork, or heat-sensitive materials. The torch head is compact and ergonomically designed, allowing for comfortable, fatigue-free use over extended periods. Included in the 239-193 outfit are several key components: the Silversmith torch handle, hose, single flame tip, and regulators for oxygen and acetylene tanks. The regulators are designed for consistent gas flow and safe operation, and the torch handle supports quick tip changes for various flame sizes and tasks. Crafted with durable materials, the Silversmith torch is built for long-term use in both professional and hobbyist environments. The entire kit is suitable for a wide range of applications including jewelry fabrication, glass blowing, small-scale welding, and precision repair work. This outfit is especially favored in the jewelry industry due to its clean, concentrated flame, excellent maneuverability, and the ability to reach high temperatures needed for silver soldering. It's portable and efficient, ideal for bench setups or mobile artisans. In summary, the Smith 239-193 Silversmith Handy Torch outfit is a reliable, precision torch system tailored for fine metalwork. With its easy handling, durable build, and professional-grade components, it's a trusted tool for jewelers, metal artists, and anyone needing precise heat in small-scale applications. Number 4. X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W Soldering Iron Station. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro is a professional-grade 75W soldering iron station kit, thoughtfully designed for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals who require precision, convenience, and reliability in their soldering work. This all-in-one kit offers a wide range of accessories and features that make it suitable for tasks like circuit board repair, wire soldering, and small-scale electronics projects. The main unit features a digitally controlled soldering iron with adjustable temperature settings, displayed in either degree C or degree F. It includes 3 programmable temperature presets, enabling quick changes between commonly used heat levels. The sleep function automatically reduces heat when not in use, extending tip life and improving safety. This kit includes 5 extra soldering tips for various applications, allowing users to handle fine detail work as well as more robust joints. A mini magnetic LED lamp provides enhanced visibility, especially useful in low-light workspaces. The 4 flexible helping hands offer stability when working with small components, freeing up the user's hands for precise soldering. Also included are essential accessories such as a desoldering pump, solder sucker, anti-static tweezers, 50G spool of solder, and a brass sponge with flux for easy tip cleaning. These tools enhance efficiency and help maintain a tidy and functional work area. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro is known for its fast heat-up time, stable temperature control, and user-friendly interface, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced technicians. Its solid build and thoughtful features promote productivity and comfort during extended work sessions. In summary, the X-Tronic 3060 Pro is a feature-rich, versatile soldering station kit that combines performance with convenience. With its wide range of included tools and advanced features, it provides excellent value and functionality for anyone involved in electronics repair or assembly. Number 5. Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. The Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station is a versatile and efficient tool tailored for both hobbyists and professionals engaged in electronics soldering and repair. With a 75-watt power output, it offers quick heat-up times and stable temperature control, making it suitable for a variety of soldering tasks, including circuit board work, component replacement, and general electronics assembly. One of its standout features is the digital temperature control system, allowing users to precisely adjust and monitor temperatures. It supports both degree C and degree F readouts, providing flexibility based on user preference. The station's intelligent temperature stabilization ensures consistent heat delivery, which is critical for delicate soldering jobs. The 939D Plus is ESD safe, protecting sensitive electronic components from electrostatic discharge. Its burn-resistant aluminum panel adds durability and ensures the unit remains safe to touch and operate even during extended sessions. The ergonomic soldering iron handle is designed for comfort and efficiency, helping reduce user fatigue during long tasks. Included with the station are multiple soldering tips, allowing for work on components of different sizes and types. The kit also includes lead-free solder, a brass tip cleaner, a sponge, and anti-static tweezers, making it a complete setup for various soldering applications straight out of the box. Another helpful feature is the sleep mode, which activates after a period of inactivity to preserve tip life and conserve energy. The user-friendly interface, along with features like quick temperature recovery, make this unit highly accessible for beginners while still meeting the needs of more experienced users. In summary, the Yihua 939D Plus digital soldering station offers strong performance, safety features, and convenience in a compact form. Its robust build, precise temperature control, and included accessories make it a reliable and valuable addition to any electronics workstation.